Hi everybody, Eugene here with Darkroom Software. In this quick video I want to show you something fun that I was working on for my son. He's 3 years old and just started soccer, which every kid at 3 years old should start soccer. It's the cutest thing. So I took some pictures of him on green screen and I was going to drop him into a background, and the setup was super easy and what came out of it was really cool. And I just wanted to share it with you. So let's go ahead and jump into Darkroom. We're using one of the new features that we just added, the multi-image green screen drop-in. I think something along those lines. But let me show you and it'll make a lot more sense. So we're going to create a new template. Nothing too difficult with this. It's just a 4x6. Whoops. Green screen, and it's horizontal, 4x6 horizontal. Okay. Add graphic, and I have my graphics saved inside my X drive. That's where all your graphics and your templates should be saved, so when you move it to a different computer, everything goes along with it. So there's the background image. Click OK, and then next we're going to add a photo, set that to chroma key. Once again, nothing too difficult, easy breezy. So we'll click Save as a new border. And there we go. So next we are going to go into Photo Workshop. I'm going to select an image. It's already selected and it's already dropped it in. So I'm going to enlarge that image right there. And then I'm going to grab this image, kind of a cool looking action pose. And I'm going to just drop it straight on there. And what's going to happen is it's going to add both images, and I'll now have a cool little composite. Now the thing is, I want this to be full size. We'll put them right there, and then my son's name is actually Ben. His middle name is Danger, so that's the reason for Danger Wise. We put that right there. Once again, we can use our let's see, well, double click to change font size, and let's say 50, and then just nudge into place, and we'll click the number 1. Whoops. Click on package 1, it should print. And just for fun, because we have that promotion with Event Gallery going on right now, you can use a coupon code extend60 and get an additional 60 days if you've already used your Event Gallery trial. And we'll go ahead and click on Event Gallery. Didn't have my print catcher on because my buddy broke it, but I have to fix it. But here you go. There's the image. It was real easy and fun to make. If we go to Event Gallery, and let's go ahead and refresh. Let's see, is he up there yet? Okay, and it looks like it is just coming in right there. We'll click on that, and there's image, an Event Gallery ready to share. So once again, that coupon code is extend60. I hope this has been helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.